Hello children, we will start the civics first lesson. What is democracy? Why democracy? In this video, you are going to study only about first what is democracy. Now we will see the meaning of the word democracy. This English word democracy has been derived from two Greek words demos and kratia. Demos means the people and kratia means power. Now see the meaning of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. In a democracy, only leaders elected by people should rule the country, and people have the freedom to express views, freedom to organize, and freedom to protest. The meaning of these sentences is that democracy is a form of government in which the administration of the country is run by the representatives who are elected by the people. Now all of you see this one. This is the famous definition by Abraham Lincoln. What he said? He said that government of the people, by the people, for the people. Means what he is saying? Democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. This is a famous quote by Abraham Lincoln. Now children, all of you see the features of democracy. In a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those who elected by the people. A democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. The meaning of these three sentences is that democracy is based on the political equality. In democracy, all the people, whether rich or poor, educated or uneducated, men or women, enjoy equal rights and have the same status. People are not the subject of a ruler. They are their own rulers. Now next three features see. A democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' right. The opposition parties are allowed to function freely before and after election. The democratic government are based on fundamental principles of political equality. The meaning of this sentence is that democracy is based on discussion and consultation, as all the decisions are taken after discussions. It reduces the chances of rash and irresponsible decisions. When decisions are taken by discussion and in meetings where number of people put their hands together, they are able to point out mistakes before taking the final decision. If the decisions are not according to the wishes of the people, they have a right to protest and even force the government to change it or withdraw it. Now children, see this comparison between the democratic government and non-democratic government. In democratic government, people elect their rulers and have right in decision making. In non-democratic government, people do not elect their rulers and have no right in decision making. The parliament is a separate body and has no interference of army. In non-democratic form of government, the parliament can pass law about the army without the consent of the chief of the army. Now see children, you will get more detailed information about the democratic and non-democratic form of government in the next slide. Now children, see this difference. Then you will get the clear idea. Democratic government is a government that follows the political system of democracy. The power lies with the people. First we will see all the points of the democratic form of the government. People choose what is right for them. All people have equal rights regardless of their status and position. Leaders or representatives are elected by the people. The meaning of this sentence is that democracy is based on discussion. Whether the person is poor, rich, educated or uneducated, men or women enjoy equal rights and have the same status. When decisions are taken by discussion and in meetings where number of people put their hands together, they are able to point out mistakes before taking the final decision. If the decisions are not according to the wish of the people, they have a right to protest and even force the government to change it or withdraw it. Means this much power is there in the hand of the people in democratic form of the government. Now we will see the non-democratic form of government. In non-democratic form of government is this side. Non-democratic government is a government that does not follow democracy. The power lies with the government. Government makes decision for the people. All people are not treated equally. People can't select or change the leaders. The meaning of this sentence is that here in the non-democratic government, people can't choose or change their rulers. People do not enjoy the freedom to express their opinion, form political associations, and organize protest and political action. They do not have the right to form independent trade unions and to strike. This means that here in non-democratic form of the government, all the fundamental rights they are not enjoying. The people do not enjoy the freedom to express. All the power is in the hand of the government. So this is the difference between the democratic and non-democratic form of government. Okay, in the next video, I will explain you about why democracy. In this, you will study argument for the democracy and argument against the democracy. Thank you.